Maintenance, as you probably know, is inherently complex and expensive, but our main goal here is to simplify your maintenance while also saving you as much money as we can everywhere that we can. If you joined us for the first webinar in this series, you should be familiar with our new tool called OneScan. And if you weren't able to join us for that announcement, OneScan is a free tool that we offer to folks looking to save on their IT maintenance by helping you. We come alongside you. We provide a plan for the devices that should stay on OEM maintenance and the other ones that we recommend you take a look at TPM for. So whatever your experience is, whatever whether or not you were able to join us last time, we're certainly glad you're here. TPM can be a massive tool in eliminating budgetary waste. In fact, in 2014, Accenture reported in its spend trends report that 60 to 70% of companies were using third-party maintenance to reduce OpEx spend. Now, personally, I think this is fascinating because the data show that not only is TPM a great option for you today in doing just that, but it's really been a strategy that is, tried and true and tested and has been out there, and companies have been leveraging it for quite some time.